How to enroll the first few people and then more into your membership coaching program for $97 a month. Here is the thing, after you created your membership offer and you are ready to accept the first members into it, you're gonna need to accept the first few people and start marketing your program. Now, besides of creating content, maybe building an email list and doing any of those advanced techniques, I wanna share with you a method through which you can sign the first 5-7 people very controllably right now. I call it talk to people. How this works is you would want to write down a list of people who you think would be interested in your program, and I bet there is 5, 7, 10 people already in your existing network or social media following who you could sign into your membership program. So I suggest you that you write quite a few people down on an empty Excel list or a white paper, right? And you're gonna go and talk to them. Write down any of your previous clients, any kind of people from top of your mind who you think that could benefit of your membership program, and check your existing social media content and see who's already engaging with your content a lot, and write them down on this list so you can then reach out to them. If you write down 30-40 people who you're gonna reach out to them, you would definitely be able to sign 5 into your program. Now you're gonna say any of these two options to them. The first one could be, hey, you're gonna DM them or email them. You're gonna say, hey, do you know that I have just created a mini support group of a few of us who are gonna be meeting on weekly basis and support one another on this journey of achieving the weight loss goals or whatever the niche is. Would you wanna know more about it and potentially participate? Those who would say yes, you would then book a call with. Now the second thing that you could say to these people from your list is, hey, I created this awesome method of how you can achieve your weight loss goals, if that's your niche again. I am looking to create an awesome case study of someone who becomes really successful through this method of mine. Would you want to talk about it? And then they will say yes, or so you're gonna book calls with them. If you speak to 10, 15, 20 people on quick calls, you're gonna be definitely able to sign 3 to 4 to 5 into your membership program. Now on those calls that you're gonna book, you're gonna simply ask them questions, analyze their situation, see what's their challenges, what they really want, and you're gonna then ask them this probing question. Hey, would you be open to interact with me now more often so we can get you to become my best case study, and in exchange I'm willing to support you a lot so you really succeed. I'm still gonna need to charge you $97 per month, but I'm gonna meet with you also one-on-one and really work toward you achieving this outcome so we can create an awesome case study together. So you see, you could sign that person into the support group environment and then work with them a little one-on-one extra on top, and that's how you could sign 5, 7, 10 people working with you now into your membership coaching program. So go get out there and talk to people and sign a few into your program. For you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's gonna provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on Skool app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course, and get yourself going in life. See ya.